Hi, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and welcome back to my channel where I make a lot of cake and cookie decorating tutorials as well as give a lot of baking business tips. And we are back for another day of Vlogmas, which means another day of cupcake decorating. And I am impressed with how long this trend has stayed alive. And I don't necessarily mean just flowers on cupcakes, because I think that's something that's so classic that will just keep continuing on, but I mean using all the different tips on the cupcakes to create different looks. But I am here for it, and I'm here to show you what I do with this cupcake. Now, I am using faux Swiss meringue buttercream in this, so you'll notice that I'm getting a little bit of drooping going on. For this particular cupcake, it's totally fine because I do want a little bit more of an open flower. But if you are newer to cupcake decorating and you haven't really done a whole lot of floral work, then I highly recommend that you use Italian meringue buttercream, which is a lot stiffer. You can use things like American buttercream as well, but if you have really warm hands, it starts to warm the butter a lot and it's just not as stable, so you won't end up with the beautiful flower that you're looking for. To create these smaller flowers is very, very easy. You're going to use whatever buttercream you want, and then you're going to squeeze that tip. I'm using a French tip. And once you're pleased with the size of that flower, then you're going to just stop squeezing and pull straight off. That is basically all you have to do, then add a center to it. I did also make a little rosette there as well, but unfortunately my hand was blocking it when I was making it. But have no fear. In future tutorials, in this 25 days of cupcake decorating, I show you how to do that again. And of course, add on as much as you need to fill in all of those gaps. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading every single day for Vlogmas, so be sure to come back tomorrow to see what else I do on the 25 days of cupcake decorating. And if you are not done with watching cake content, be sure to head on over to the Bake Down podcast, where Alia and I are uploading every single day for Vlogmas as well. Bye!